There are racial disturbances, civil unrest across many cities in the United States. Curfew has been imposed in many parts of USA, including New York, Los Angeles, and yet you find that the Dow Jones was up about 95 points. Yesterday, NASDAQ was up 65 points, and the trading looked to be quite positive in general. What about today? In general, I believe that the market should be fairly positive on Wall Street today. In fact, most of the session I believe should be quite nice, and the way I perceive is that Dow Jones in the last 2 hours could suddenly shoot up quite dramatically. So it's going to be a very nice and a very positive session. As far as trading in Asian markets, I've mentioned that I am expecting a negative tone there. As far as Europe is concerned, the London FTSE, the DAX, they closed yesterday because of a holiday. And over there you can find that the initial session may not be as positive, but the second half of the session, even on FTSE, DAX and CAC, all the European indices will be fairly positive. So I'm expecting some negativity in Asia, but this will not reverberate across Europe and America. Both these indices should be fairly positive. America in particular, I think the last 2 hours will witness a very solid gain. Now, whether this will translate into a higher opening tomorrow for the Nifty and the Sensex, please stay tuned. We'll be explaining this in detail a little later. For those who would like to be a part of the Art of Investing course to learn the art of predictions, they are most welcome. You can kindly WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. Happy to welcome you as a part of the course, and I'm sure you'll benefit. We have a basic 8 days course, crash course of 2 weeks, and an intensive course of 10 weeks. So feel free to do that. But Dow Jones, I think, should be a very positive session today. Even on the Indian markets, the Nifty and the Sensex, the last half hour will be fairly productive. But as far as the opening sessions on Nifty and Sensex are concerned, I do not see. I see more negative than positive. So happy investing. One thing before I conclude. So therefore, you see that the trading across the world is differing in complexion. Asia will be negative in the initial sessions, and the closing session on all the Asian indices will be nice, including the Indian. The last half hour, in my opinion, today, the 2nd of June, should be quite constructive. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.